Going up.
Alright everyone, today we're at Summit Plaza, and this elevator is commonly featured on my channel. It used to be a general Oiltronic, I have a short on that, and now it's modded by Alternate, so let's go do a checkup on it. This is where the Oiltronic button used to be. So let's go. And it does that whenever you hit the door close button. Just gonna get a look out here. Look at that fire line. That does not look good. Door operator up there. And it says that, so I don't really want to press it in case it does the call. Just in case, but I don't think it will. Let's get a cab in. The cab looks like it's original from when it was an Oiltronic. Leveling. It's okay. Airlock. Chime sample. And this elevator does not have a certificate. That's it.